one of the interesting things that we're helping these enterprise customers with is maintain the shipper scorecard at the highest level possible. Well, how do you do that? Well, contrary to what a lot of people think, that we live in a world of seamless integrations, apparently shippers are stuck in the past. They use EDI integrations. Not only that they use the EDI integrations, but most of the carriers are actually onboarding third-party EDI providers to help in these integrations. But these integrations don't really help the carrier, because when the shipper has certain requirements that's important for the shipper, for the carrier to update the shipper with, the workflows in the carrier's TMS are not there to fit the shipper's requirements. And so what do carriers end up doing? They will do the same work they do in their carrier TMS. They will then plug into a shipper's TMS and do the same work. And the reason they're going to do that is because they want to maintain a higher scorecard. Why do you need a platform to do double work? Do the same work in your TMS, do the same work in the shipper's TMS, and do the same work in accounting software? There has to be a better way. The way we solve this problem is by building our own EDI engine. We decided to actually control those messages so we understand exactly what's happening back end, so that when something fails, our engineers know right away, and they're actually able to solve that instantly before the user actually knows about. And at the same time, we're able to modify those certain workflows depending on what the shipper wants. So we control the back end, the front end, the EDI messages, and that creates a flawless transactions. So you might ask, so how is this important? Well, it's important for different reasons. But the main point is to really reduce your staff. Do more with less. When you have this kind of integration, you don't need to hire an army of people to keep that scorecard high. You just do everything in Alvys, and you generate that high score. And when you have that high score quarter over quarter, the shippers end up giving you higher rates, better quality loads. So what does that translate to? It equals higher revenues. So not only that you're actually getting a good, seamless product that actually works, it will actually help you generating better revenues. See, what's interesting, carriers never complain about paying $150,000 or $200,000 for a unit. They're buying that unit, they're buying that truck to generate higher revenues. It's basically a revenue generating asset. And that's exactly how we built our Alvys product, is to make sure that they actually generate higher revenues when they plug into this product. That's just one of the things I wanted to share, how we really help the enterprise customers. Thank you.